A tire with a Mousse insert can be really difficult to dismount, and especially the first part of getting the tire irons inserted. There are some tricks that can make it easier. The first thing is to use suitable tire irons. Now, if a tire iron is too thick, it can be barely impossible to get it between the rim and the tire. If the tire iron is too slim, it might break or bend when flipping it. So if using a Rabaconda Pro tire iron, it's always better to use the straight end for dismounting. This end is stronger and has better angle for dismounting. Now, make sure you are not pushing straight on top of the rim lock, because you simply cannot get enough distance between the tire and the rim there. So place it from the opposite side of the bead breaker system. The first priority is to get the bead breaker as close to the rim as it gets here. Leave just a few millimeters distance. And it's important to push the tire bead as far off from the rim as you can. For this, it should be pushed from the end of the green handle here. This will give you more leverage, and I recommend pushing it with your whole body weight and simultaneously inserting the tire iron right next to the bead breaker. Make it with one strong push, like this, to get it between. Then what also helps here is to point the tire iron a little bit diagonally, so it goes almost under the bead breaker, like this. I've seen some riders trying to get the tire irons inserted while being in this end of the handle. Here, yes, there will be more strength to insert the tire iron, but there's not enough leverage here because your body weight is at the wrong side. So like this, it's much harder to get it in. I would not recommend doing it this way.